Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to convert surface to solid. I will create new drawing and for example I will draw simple surface. We draw rectangle, click finish cut and then choose extrude tools. Click these icons to convert into surface. You also can fill in this top hole with a patch tool. So I will fill in here, click apply. Create again in the bottom here, apply, then done. Okay, we have this simple surface. Now to convert this surface into 3D, you can use this stitch tools, click, and then select surface. I will select this all surface. If you done, click apply. So it will be automatically convert into solid. Okay, that's it. How to convert surface to solid in Inventor. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.